Similarly, people can explore the groups. If I click on groups, I come to this page. So right now there are three public groups which are available on the Hive. One is for supply chain, second is for fighting COVID, and the third one is universal health coverage. Right now, uh, we have most members in the supply chain for health group. There are 216 members. Now, if I want to create my network in supply chain, I can also come to this group and I can connect with all these people who have similar interests in supply chain. So all these people who are supply chain professionals or want to learn supply chain, I can also follow them. I can connect with them and then can chat with them, or I can write my questions or my comments, or if I want to discuss something, I can write it in the feed, or can create discussions as well in the discussion forums. So all this is possible on the Hive. There are no limitations here for creating your network, building your knowledge base, and accessing resources as well. And as and when we keep on updating new documents and resources on the groups, they are also available in this folder. Now, for example, right now there are some resources related to data visibility in supply chain. And as and when we upload more files or any members upload these files, they're also visible in this tab in the groups.